Hi guys, it's Eric from Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering in beautiful downtown Warren. You've been cooped up in the house. You've done nothing but stare at your ugly floors, right? For a couple of 2 months, maybe more. Here's what I have for you. We can do a couple of bedrooms in your house now that this whole shelter in place thing has been relaxed a little bit. You got a stimulus check from the government. It's supposed to be spent, and the best use of that money is usually locally owned businesses. Now, you can do that. Restaurants are starting to open up with curbside service and takeout. That's great. Support those guys too. Stay away from the big box stores. Come into your little locally owned stores like Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering. We can do a couple of bedrooms in your house in brand new, beautiful carpet for far less than the stimulus money that you received. And you'll still have that stimulus money left over. So come on in, check it out. It's beautiful. It's all on sale. It's all marked down. We are clean, we are safe, and we are ready to serve you.